We live in a world full of hustle and bustle, and end up overlooking the things that lead to long-term success and get caught up in the noise. Nobody ever mentions how morning rituals can make a difference. Imagine manifesting your deepest desires effortlessly and swiftly. It's within reach, and all it takes are 5 specific lines. Skeptical, right? I know, I was also shocked when I first heard about it. But trust me, you're about to embark on a journey of manifestation guided by timeless wisdom from Neville Goddard. As you delve into this transformative practice, you'll discover how to wield the incredible potential within these words. Today's focus is on revealing the profound impact of just 5 lines that Neville Goddard, the luminary in manifestation, has imparted to his students over the years. In this video, you're about to learn the secret to this astonishing phenomenon, a technique that simplifies the complex art of manifesting. The law of manifestation, sometimes known as the law of attraction, is based on the idea that like attracts like. Your desires and ideas have the amazing ability to make dreams come true. What you put your all-out attention and energy onto is what eventually shows up in your life. And all these desires and thoughts you feed into are what will eventually bring about your dreams. When you realize this powerful guide, you can steer the course of your life by directing your thoughts and energies intentionally. It's through this conscious focus that you've unveiled the transformative potential within yourself. By aligning your thoughts and desires with the manifestations you seek, you've unveiled the power to sculpt the life you truly desire. Positive, clear thoughts attract positive, clear outcomes, whereas negative thoughts create negative outcomes. Clarity in thought inspires clarity in life, and it's clarity that leads to success. And now, I will be revealing the secret 5 morning rituals that Neville Goddard truly believed, and not only that, many successful billionaires follow the same ritual. I have adopted this habit, and the shift in the energy I feel every day is something I cannot express in words. I highly encourage you to repeat this at least for 15 days, and I guarantee you that from the 16th day, you will build a habit of it. This morning ritual is that powerful. So without any further delay, let's get started with the secret 5-line manifestation technique. If you want to manifest a really clear future, the first thing you need to do is create a really clear start for your morning. The first step in your manifestation morning routine is to say thank you as soon as you wake up. We all have the habit of checking our phones as soon as we wake up. But that needs to stop right here, right now. Trust me, don't go on your phone. Don't stress over your to-dos. Don't look at your emails. Just wake up and express gratitude for what is. Say thank you, universe, for this brand new day. Or if you like, you can recall the moments that made you happy the day earlier every day. Thank your body for working the way it is intended to. Thank your bed for giving you a comfortable place to sleep. The goal of this first step is to activate the law of attraction. I know that sounds odd, but what I meant to say is when we think of good things and be happy and thankful for the things that we have, we attract more of it. We attract the feelings we feel. Isn't that what the law of attraction says? So start your day with a heart full of abundance and appreciation, which is the emotion with the highest vibration, and watch the miracles unfold. The second step in your manifestation morning routine is to meditate. The world's wealthiest people start their days with meditation. Let me be more precise. There are several billionaires on Forbes' list of the world's wealthiest people who speak for the daily practice of morning meditation. When you meditate, you connect with your body on a vibrational level. You focus on your breathing, and the calmer your body gets, the more you are connected to the universe. Meditation also helps to keep your mind and body fresh throughout the day, which will help you to recognize the opportunity that comes along throughout the day, which will get you closer to your desired reality. Beginning a morning meditation routine is a small task that creates a big shift in the right direction. The main goal of meditation is to connect your mind, body, and soul for better life choices. The third step in your manifestation morning routine is to pray to your higher power. Your higher power is the God of your understanding. You can pray to the universe, God, or your higher self, whatever name resonates with you. Remember, prayer is just an affirmation on steroids. It's a more powerful version of an affirmation because you are declaring the positive statement to yourself and your higher power. My prayer goes something like this: Universe, thank you for this fresh day. I embrace joy as my inherent right. I welcome universal guidance, spiritual solutions, and creative inspiration. Show me what I must understand. Grateful for this. You can create your prayer that resonates with you, or you can use what I have been using for like a year. And this covers all the desires and gratitude that I feel towards the universe. So feel free to use my prayer or create your own. The fourth step in your manifestation morning routine is to set your daily intention. Don't confuse setting your intention with setting your goal. These two things are different. A goal is something big that you're aiming to make real in your life. But an intention, it's about who you become along the way to reaching that goal. Let's say you're after financial prosperity. Your intention then is how you want to live and feel while you're going after that goal. You might aim to think, feel, and act as if abundance is already a part of your life. That's the power of intention. It shapes how you grow as you move towards what you want. Set a daily intention that feels good to you. Here's what I do. As soon as I finish my meditation, I repeat these sentences without getting up from the place. You can even journal it. It's your choice. I have been practicing it for so long that I have it in my mouth automatically. Today, I am present in every moment. I hold strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. I accomplish everything I focus on. Today, I succeed in everything I do. I spread kindness in my words and actions. Remember, the sentences should be in the present tense. That is the key. You are doing it at the moment. Now for the final step, take 5 minutes to imagine every second of the day. You are content with the path you are on. Imagine yourself grinning broadly and the chances that are ahead of you. These are the chances that are moving you closer to realizing your dreams. You desire wealth. Imagine that your new client is on the way, or that your promotion is drawing near. The more you move forward, the closer you reach your goal. Imagine your day and the kind of day you want it to be. Perhaps you have a meeting with the next major event. Imagine obtaining that position, or you apply for the job of your dreams. Revel in your abundance and happiness at having that job already. Pay close attention to every word that I'm about to say. The secret is to imagine in a way that makes whatever you are thinking about or what you want to happen feels like it has already happened and is now your new reality. Live in the present for those 5 minutes in your mind. Experience every emotion as though the dream has already manifested. Manifesting your dreams starts within your mind. Visualize your desires fulfilled. Immerse yourself in the emotions of achievement and live in that moment mentally. That's the key to making your dreams your reality. Apply these 5 steps in your daily routine and make sure you share your experience in the comment section. For in-depth manifestation tips and turning thoughts into reality, watch my YouTube guide. It's time to shape your destiny through visualization and intentional living.